Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to share with you how to check CPU usage on a Mac. First, go ahead and open Spotlight. You can do this by pressing Command Space and searching for Activity Monitor. Then, open the Activity Monitor app. Give it a second to gather the stats before it displays everything. Next, make sure you switch to the CPU tab. Here, the app will show you the processes currently running on your computer. Please note that a single app might have multiple processes running at the same time. Now, go ahead and click on the %CPU column to sort the list in ascending or descending order. This helps you easily observe and identify exactly which processes are taking up the most CPU. Take a look at the column on the right labeled User. Here, it will display processes belonging to your user or default system processes like root or processes with an underscore at the beginning of the username. Those are system processes. You can also hover over the View menu and select My Processes. At this point, the list will only display processes belonging to your user. If you want to see everything again, just go back and select All Processes. Down at the bottom, you will see general statistics about system processes, user processes, or the idle percentage. If this percentage is still high, around 80 to 90%, it means your computer is still running smoothly and isn't lagging. You can kill a process by selecting it, then clicking the Stop button on the title bar of the app. Then, choose Quit or Force Quit to force it to close. Here's a little trick when using Activity Monitor. You can minimize the Activity Monitor window. Then, right-click on the app icon down in the dock. Select Dock icon, then choose Show CPU Usage. Now the app will display the CPU usage level right on the app icon itself. However, on macOS 26.2, which I am using, I have to quit and reopen the app for this feature to work. This might be a small bug in macOS 26. When you want to return to default, just select Dock icon again and choose Show Application. The app icon will then return to its default state. So, those are a few basic instructions so you can check the CPU percentage being used on your Mac. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and check out more Mac tutorial videos for beginners that I've put in the description. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.